What makes a good thumbnail on YouTube? My channel's got 66,000 subscribers. I've done various courses on creating thumbnails, and I'm going to tell you all the golden rules for making a good thumbnail. So if you look on the screen now, you can see 8 thumbnails, and I can tell you that only one of these thumbnails is outstanding. Another one is pretty good, but there's one outstanding thumbnail. Do you know why it's outstanding? What are the features that make it outstanding? If you can answer this question, you don't need to watch this video. If you can't answer the question and know why one of these thumbnails is so good, then it's worth watching this video. So the one thumbnail here that covers the 5 golden rules of creating a thumbnail, and I'm going to go through those golden rules, is this one here. So there are 5 key factors and a couple of smaller ones, but 5 key factors that tell me this person or this channel and these people know exactly what they're doing. And I've even checked out their channel, and I certainly know that that is the case. So let me just take you through now what to consider when you make a YouTube thumbnail. So if you look at this thumbnail, it follows these rules. First of all, complete use of real estate. It's using up the whole of the space. Secondly, the image is really clear and there's movement in it. For some reason, research has shown that images with movement are clicked on more often. Number 3, there's a minimum use of 2 fonts. I suggest 3. We've got 3 here. Number 4, the text is super clear, and so you can read the text really easily. And 5, a technique that's very common, they put blocks behind some of the text to make it clearer. Now there is one additional super trick that I'm going to show you. Those are the 5 golden rules that to follow, but there is an additional trick which is to do with the title, and I'm just going to explain that now. Just a really quick break from the video. I do run regular courses on how to set up and generate an income from YouTube, particularly focusing on an educational YouTube channel. If you're interested, in the description below there's a link. Click on that link, simply add your email address. When the next course comes up, I will send you the information. You don't have to join, but simply I'll send you the information to let you know when the course is going to be running and how much it costs. Right, let's get back to the video. So my bonus tip is what I call title and title. In other words, you've actually got 2 opportunities to put the title of your video. 1 in the thumbnail and 2 in the title which normally appears below. So what you want to do is make sure that you don't repeat the same thing twice. You can have 2 different ways of catching the attention of the person. One through the title that you put here, and one through the title you put here. And this is a perfect example. Only courageous fools become masters, or make a bad version of yourself first, then perfect it. Okay, 2 ways of saying more or less the same thing. Very clever. And this is a technique. It's not always easy to do this, but try to think of a new version of the title when you create the thumbnail. My only tip here is keep your thumbnail titles and the real titles short. This might be slightly long, but this is a very good technique and one that I'm starting to introduce into my own videos. You've got therefore 2 opportunities to attract the attention of the user. Really hope you found those videos useful. Please come over to teachertrainingvideos.com. Lots more free videos. You might be particularly interested in the section on screen capture, and there's also a really nice video on the front page in the section where I talk about YouTube and how I started my channel. The other thing you can do is follow my work, and the best thing to do that is to sign up to my newsletter. That way you get updated with all the latest blogs, the webinars, the new videos that I make and the courses I run. And of course you can also follow me on my YouTube channel. I think we're up to about 66,000 subscribers now. Don't forget to click on the bell so that you get updated with all the latest videos. And finally, if you were thinking of asking me to do some training with your organization, you can contact me from the website. And thank you very much. I'm going to put some other videos on the screen now that you might find useful.